Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best novelty products for your sites. Obviously, the actual products are the main content of your sites, and they are the main traffic generators at the same time. So it's very important to have some really good products that are capable of getting a laugh and grab attention. Luckily, there are so many products to choose from that you will never run out of options. So the easiest way to get started would be to check what other similar novelty sites are promoting already and maybe copy a few ideas from them. I'm going to show you two most successful sites that you can get your inspiration from. The first one is called This Is Why I'm Broke, and to open it up, just either Google for it or type the URL thisiswhyimbroke.com. And right away you'll see a nice selection of funny products and gag gifts. So if you don't know what products to add to your sites, I would open them one by one, and chances are that most of them are products from Amazon. So for example, this one is a cheese printer, and it would be a great gift for a family member or a friend. And if you like the product and want to add it to your site right away, you just go for it and click the Novelty Product Importer extension. Click Import. Pick your site. Choose a category. Hit Add to Site. And boom, the product is on your site. And this is what it looks like. Now that we are on Amazon's site, you can actually get even more great product ideas from this suggestions area with the title "Customers who viewed this item also viewed." You know, there's some funny games, some cool gag gifts, coffee talkies. Coffee talkies would be a nice gift. It's ridiculous and funny. And each of these products have their own suggestions, so it's very easy to find good novelty products to add to your site. And you can go back to This Is Why I'm Broke site to get more ideas, and just rinse and repeat the process. Another good example of ideas I wanted to show you is a site called cool-camping-gear.com. And this one is actually a better example because it is focused on a niche. In this particular case, the niche is camping and outdoor activities. With these type of sites, it's easier to get traffic snowballing because people are usually very passionate about their hobbies, and they are more likely to share something like this with their friends who are probably also die-hard outdoorsy people. And they also start sharing with their friends. So it's always better to target a niche rather than just having products that may appeal to everyone. So if you want to build a site like this, for example, you can start checking out each product, and if you like it, add it to your site with the product importer extension. So camping is just one niche example, and there are actually a lot of different niches that can work really well with the novelty sites. And if you're trying to come up with a good idea for a niche, I have a spreadsheet of niches that I use when I build a new site. And I made it available for all Novelty Site Builder users. To open it on your computer, just go to noveltysitebuilder.com/niches, and it will take you to the Google spreadsheet. I'm also going to put the link to it below this video. So in this spreadsheet, you'll find different sheets here on the bottom. We have hobbies and activities, common jobs, food and cooking, dog breeds, skills and learning. I picked these niches because usually people feel very passionate about them, like hobbies, for example. If somebody is investing their own time into something like yoga, they want other people to know about it, and they tend to share yoga related stuff with their friends and families. So that's a very good fit for us. Or jobs, for example. Some people hate their jobs, some people love what they do. Either way, they feel very strongly about what they do for a living. And it's also a very good fit for our sites. Same goes for foods people enjoy, Dog breeds, people get very attached to their pets. And skills, people want to talk about something they know or trying to learn. So once you pick a niche that you want your site to focus on, you will start looking for novelty products for that site and niche. And I'm going to give you a quick example. Let's say I want to build a novelty site targeting teachers. It's a very popular profession, and chances are that you know a teacher or even have one. The site I would go to for products would be Amazon itself. And the search phrases would be funny teacher gifts, teacher gag gifts, teacher novelty gifts. So basically you can use any search phrase that has words funny, gag, novelty, gifts plus your niche. And you can see there are books, mugs, wine glasses. This stamp is pretty funny. All these are perfect to be added to our site. There are also some good categories on Amazon that you can use to look up items for your niche. One is novelty and gag toys. You can find it under toys category. Gag toys and practical jokes is a little bit further down, and it's also a good source. There's a good novelty category under dining and entertaining. Clothing category has novelty subcategory. So all these are perfect for finding great novelty products for your niche. You just type your niche name in search and you can see what's available. Also, if your niche has its own category on Amazon, it's also very helpful because you just search for funny gifts inside that category, and you can find a lot of good items like garden and outdoor, for example. So that's how you can find good novelty products for your sites. I hope this video steers you into the right direction. And if you have any questions or need help with picking your niche, just email me, support@pluginsbyigor.com, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for your time, and I'll talk to you later.